Hey, what's up guys? It's Ronnie, the credit coach, with another weekly tip. And this week I want to talk about student loans. Guys, student loans are federal. There's some private, but I'm talking about federal student loans. Those you always have to pay back. You can file bankruptcy and you're not able to put the student loans, because they're federal, on the bankruptcy. You can't discharge them. Those will always have to pay back, and they will report on a credit report indefinitely. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news, guys, but student loans, because they're federal, those cannot go away. You can never remove those from a credit report. Those have to be paid. People say, Orlando, I'm not in that career anymore. I'm not in that profession. I went to school and I'm not even working in that profession. What can happen? Unfortunately, you might be able to apply for some type of debt forgiveness, but you would have to have a mental disability, physical disability, or a financial permanent situation. Other than that, student loans have to be paid if they are federal. And guys, please subscribe to my channel. Show me some love, show me some support. I do these videos to bring you guys value. And the more you share, the more you like, the more comments I get, the more I'm gonna bring you guys value.